Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Tumblr for creative branding step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on Tumblr if you don't have one already. Visit the Tumblr website and click on the sign up button. Enter your email address, password, and desired username. Once you've completed the sign up process, log into your new account. Navigate to the dashboard and click on the user icon at the top right corner. Select Edit Appearance from the drop-down menu. Choose a theme that resonates with your creative aesthetic. Explore the theme options and pick one that allows for customization. Adjust the theme settings to match your branding colors and style. Upload a profile picture that reflects your brand. Add a header image that represents your creative vision. Navigate to the Edit Stories section to craft your blog's description. Write a compelling bio that encapsulates what your brand is about. Incorporate relevant keywords that resonate with your target audience. Check your settings and ensure your blog is set to public for maximum reach. Begin creating original content that aligns with your brand identity. Use high-quality images and engaging captions in your posts. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Join relevant communities and tag your content appropriately. Utilize Tumblr's scheduling feature to maintain consistent posting. Monitor analytics to see which content resonates best with your audience. Adapt your strategy based on what your audience engages with most. Continuously update your profile and theme as your brand evolves. Stay authentic to your vision while experimenting with different content forms. Build a network by following other creators and engaging with their posts. Consider collaborating with other Tumblr users to expand your reach. Establish a posting routine to keep your audience engaged over time. Utilize Tumblr's multimedia options, like GIFs and videos, for dynamic content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.